Stories are always about the journey, not the destination. Friends, if a young person learns this, and many such truths at the right time in life, they can save themselves from wasting a lot of time. For those who are weary of traditional constraints and rules, or are suffering from mental stress due to them. These ideas come from the article. The Experiences is taken from the book The Shadow of the Soul, a book that holds the magic to transform a person's mindset and instill self-confidence. Let's try to understand this article in detail. Stay connected with us. Experiences are the essence of life. To move forward, you must pass through the crucible of experiences. These are the sentences that we hear every day, especially in gatherings where elders impart their wisdom to the youth. In my youth, I heard these sentences countless times, internalized them, and embarked on my journey through the crucible of experiences. I have spent 20 years on this journey, and the process of gaining experiences continues unabated, but the final result is yet to be achieved. I often wonder who the people were in my age who, with their vast experiences, departed from this world. Did they accumulate more experiences than me? Or did they quickly draw conclusions from those experiences and record them in books for others to benefit from? Undoubtedly, they were great souls, true geniuses. On the other hand, left pondering why I haven't reached a definitive conclusion yet. Whenever I delved deeper and read about the personal lives of those who wrote significant books, I realized that they, too, reacted to the world around them in much the same way as I do. Some even witnessed with my own eyes. No, breaking someone else's beliefs is neither my intention, nor does it serve me any purpose. The experience I went through gave me the spirit to present it to you. In the midst of these questions, a voice suddenly resonated in my ears. When is your book coming out? For the first time, hearing this made me feel apprehensive. My book. How could my book ever be published when I haven't reached a conclusion yet? But when the answer popped up, I found that no one has reached a conclusion yet. We're all on the same path, and after reaching there, the story doesn't end. The story is the path itself. I realized that all these stories are part of the journey. What I had read until now was just the stories of the paths. I took a deep breath, summoned the courage, picked up my pen, and started writing. Now, the challenge was to express everything just as I felt it, without worrying about exposing myself, keeping my thoughts confined to my limited circle of friends. The world continued on its course, and I roamed the world of my thought and imagination. Where everyone was giving birth to their identity every day in the labor room, I witnessed some premature deliveries, some C-sections, some normal ones, and some dreams being shattered. The question is, to what extent can someone else's experiences be relevant to me? Because every human has their own identity, style, flaws, strengths, joys, sorrows, social and societal conditions. In such a scenario, if someone benefits from my experiences, they cannot retain everything that I learned from those experiences. So, my belief is, these books are just writers' personal notes. Only the writer can write in the light of their feelings, limited experiences, and exposure to reading. The real connection between all of this and reality is a complex puzzle to solve. I reached at this point when one event was being narrated from one perspective in a book, from another in a conversation. Then, I realized that there is more to this game. Writing occupation can only be pursued by a certain type of mind and those with spare time. It doesn't reveal the true beauty of life. It's just a marketplace, nothing more. The real essence of life flows around us all the times, and I have counted on it too much, only in the pursuit of knowledge gained from books. And I haven't been able to grasp the knowledge that life was continuously bestowing upon me, unbiased and unfiltered. The real experience was life itself, from which I was distanced. Friends, please share your thoughts on this article in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, do like and share it. And if you want to watch more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Your feedback and likes will motivate us to bring you more informative and diverse content on life's various topics. Take good care of yourselves. Always stay beautiful and keep smiling. Thank you.